In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch an image in Canva using the latest update. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make any photo or graphic fit your design perfectly, without it looking awkward or distorted. First, open Canva, and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to adjust your image. Choose the size that matches your project, whether that's a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, or a custom dimension. Once your blank canvas is open, you're ready to bring in your image. Next, upload or select the image you want to stretch. You can drag an image from your computer into Canva, or pick one from your recent uploads or the built-in photo library. Click once on the image so it appears on your canvas. If it comes in very small or off to the side, don't worry, we're going to resize it. With the image selected, look for the handles around the corners and sides of the image. These are the little circles or squares that appear on the border. To stretch the image horizontally, click and drag one of the handles on the left or right side. To stretch it vertically, drag one of the handles on the top or bottom edge. You'll see the image expand in the direction you're pulling. If you want to scale the image up or down while keeping its proportions, use a corner handle instead, and drag outward to make it bigger or inward to make it smaller. This is useful if you don't want the subject in the photo to look too wide or too tall. Take a moment to adjust it until it fills your canvas the way you want. If your image is part of a frame or a grid, stretching works a little differently. Click on the image inside the frame, then choose the crop or edit image option that appears in the toolbar. From there, drag the corners of the image within the frame to fill more of the space, and reposition it by dragging the image left, right, up, or down. This lets you stretch how the image is displayed inside that shape without distorting the overall design. Finally, step back and check your layout. Make sure important parts of the image, like faces or text, aren't cut off at the edges. When everything looks balanced and intentional, you're done. That's how you stretch an image in Canva using the latest update.